Hello everyone. Today, we're thrilled to showcase our fully automatic CNC copper tube hole collaring machine, a high-precision piece of equipment that's being prepared for delivery to SKM Company in Saudi Arabia. Right now, our valued client is on site conducting a comprehensive series of functional tests and strict acceptance inspections to verify every performance parameter of the machine. The client has a specialized production requirement, collaring equal diameter holes on manifold pipes with multi-angle hole collaring operations. To meet this custom demand perfectly, our R&D and engineering team has designed and manufactured a set of exclusive custom molds for the machine, enabling it to achieve accurate and efficient multi-angle hole collaring on manifolds with exceptional precision. What's more, the drill bit featured on this equipment is our self-developed alloy drill bit, independently researched and produced by our in-house technical team. This high-performance drill bit boasts outstanding wear resistance and ultra-long service life, which can significantly reduce production downtime and tool replacement costs for our clients. As a professional manufacturer with years of expertise in producing two-component unit equipment, evaporator and condenser, and pipeline processing equipment, we specialize in customizing industrial equipment tailored to our clients' actual production needs. We are committed to manufacturing practical, high-efficiency, and cost-effective equipment solutions that truly create tangible production value and boost operational efficiency for our global customers.